Have you seen this big frog, Jackson? Man, he's big. Oh, he's right over there. Ready? Right here. Right here.
Good job.
I know you can do it. All right, pedal backwards and stop. Papa, look at us go. You did awesome.
And I even turned away from that bush.
Yeah. I think you're ready to go, don't you? You want to do it one more time? Do it one more time.
Yeah.
Great job, bud.
Definitely ready for a house.
Definitely ready.
I don't know. On a pedal bike.
Can you believe how fast Jackson picked up riding a bicycle without training wheels?
No.
I mean, he literally did it. He literally did it with training wheels one day.
I know.
Very next day, I came home and he said he wants you to take the training wheels off.
Yeah, he did it one day around the block, and then we took the training wheels off.
Right.
And now he can ride without.
Now we just need to go by Walmart and see if they've still got the Hot Wheels bikes in stock. Hey, Jackson, what do you see?
Skyscraper.
No, it's a giant crane. It's a track crane. Yeah, it's got big weights on the back
That's
too.
not
I
mobile.
don't know how mobile it is, but they're building a bridge. Oh, there's two more cranes down there.
Other crane.
Yeah, I'm ready to get. Let's get the
Yeah.
bike.
Are you excited to go get your bicycle?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They-
This is the one we had.
Huh? It's very similar, isn't it?
I don't want.
Okay, let's go keep looking in the back. I thought I saw it already. What kind of shirt are you wearing?
Hot Wheels.
Is that a perfect shirt to wear to get your bicycle?
And then
Why
I
is
just
why is a
had-
Hot Wheels shirt a good shirt to wear to go get a bicycle?
Because we're getting Hot Wheels by. That way we should get it today.
Yeah, that's why I said we should get it today. All right, let's see what kind of bicycles they got. Oh, I think I see it.
You see a Hot Wheels?
Yeah, let me pull it down and we'll see it. It might be too big for you.
They pull it down.
No, it shouldn't be too big, not based on the size. Because this says 3'2" to 4'2".
Here, hold this.
All right. All right, get back on the concrete. Pedal, pedal, pedal.